Welcome to Edolio's YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to link to other spreadsheets within the same workbook. You can see I have a summary sheet which talks about the sales report of Jan, Feb and March. And I have different worksheets within the same workbook for each of these months. So I have a sheet for Jan, for Feb and for March, each having different data. What I want to do is I want to link each of these cells to the respective worksheet. Meaning if I click on Jan, I should be redirected to the Jan sheet. If I click on Feb, should be redirected to Feb and March, so on and so forth. So to do this quickly, what we'll do is select the cell A2, which has the word Jan, right click, choose the hyperlink option from the drop down. You can also use the shortcut CTRL+K. In case you're a Mac user, you can use Command K. Now, depending on the version that you're on, this dialog box would look different for different versions, but the options would remain the same. So make sure you select this document and then from here select the sheet you want to link to. So in this case, we want to link it to Jan. Now there is one more option, which is the cell reference. So I can tell Excel exactly which cell to select when the redirection happens. So I can select A1 and I'm going to click OK. Now as soon as I do that, you can see a hyperlink is inserted. You can see the text is now blue with an underline. So I can come here, click on Jan and I'll be redirected to the Jan sheet. And by default, Excel has selected the cell A1, which we have mentioned. Let's quickly do that for February. So come to summary sheet, select February, right click, hyperlink. I'm going to select Feb and I'm going to mention A4 here. Select OK. And now if I click on Feb, I'll redirect it to the Feb sheet, but now the default selection is A4. Now you can also redirect not only to a spreadsheet, but also to a specific data range within a spreadsheet. What do I mean by that is, let's come to March. Let me just select these last 4 cells and I'm going to come here and remove this and let's say sample range. So I'm just creating a defined name range. Click enter and now this is a range for us. Now what I'm going to do is I'll go to the summary sheet, select March, right click, hyperlink. Now here you can see defined names. I'll click here and we'll see the different ranges that are present on this workbook. We'll select the sample range which we just created on the March sheet. And I'm going to click OK. Now, as soon as I click here, I'll be redirected to the March sheet, but by default, Excel will select the entire range that we just created. So in this way, you can not only link to a specific cell within a spreadsheet, but you can also link to a specific data range within a spreadsheet within the same workbook. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you like to learn more about Excel, you can check out our advanced Excel course, which covers everything from basic formulas, text formulas, if statements, pivot tables, vlookup, Power Query, and much more. The link is in the description. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel to see more such tips and tricks. Thank you and have a nice day.